Hybrid cameras are mirrorless models engineered for creators who don't want to compromise between stills and video. Here are top 5 cameras that combine high-resolution sensors, professional-grade video features, fast autofocus. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. Nikon Z6 Mark III. The Nikon Z6 Mark III stands out as Nikon's best hybrid camera because it blends powerful photo and video performance in one versatile body. At its heart is a 24.5 megapixels partially stacked full-frame sensor paired with Nikon's latest processing, enabling fast burst shooting and excellent autofocus that tracks subjects even in challenging light. This combination makes it highly capable for action, events, and everyday photography. For videographers, the Z6 Mark III delivers professional-grade internal recording, including 6K, 60p in RAW formats, plus advanced tools like 12-bit color and articulating screen, all without needing external gear. Other hybrid-friendly features such as 8-stop in-body image stabilization, bright high-resolution EVF, fully articulating touchscreen, and dual card slots add to its real-world usability for both creators and pros. Makes it Nikon's top choice for hybrid shooters. Number 4. Fujifilm X H2S. The X H2S shines as Fujifilm's top hybrid camera because it expertly balances elite stills performance with powerful video capabilities, making it ideal for creators who shoot both photo and film. At its core is a 26.1 megapixels APS-C stacked sensor, paired with the fast X Processor 5, enabling up to 40 frames per second continuous shooting with minimal blackout. A huge advantage for sports, wildlife, and action photography. On the video side, this camera delivers 6.2K internal recording and 4K up to 120 frames per second, plus extensive codec support, including ProRes options, giving creators flexibility and professional caliber footage straight out of the camera. The advanced hybrid autofocus combines phase and contrast detection with deep learning subject tracking, improving accuracy when filming or photographing moving subjects. Additional pro-level perks include 5-axis in-body stabilization, long recording times, dual card slots, and a high-resolution viewfinder, making it Fujifilm's best choice for hybrid shooters. Number 3. Canon R6 Mark III. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III earns its spot as Canon's best hybrid camera because it expertly blends top-tier photo and video performance in one versatile mirrorless body, ideal for creators who shoot both stills and motion. At its core is a powerful 32.5 megapixels full-frame sensor paired with Canon's DJI X processor, delivering excellent image quality, dynamic range, and responsiveness for photography and video alike. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system offers fast, accurate subject tracking across people, animals, and vehicles, perfect for action, events, and everyday shooting. For video creators, it supports 7K RAW at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled 4K, 60 frames per second, and high-speed 4K, 120 frames per second slow motion, alongside Canon log profiles for rich color and flexible grading in post. Other hybrid-friendly features include a vari-angle touchscreen, dual card slots, full-size HDMI, and intuitive ergonomics that make switching between photo and video effortless. All these combine to make the R6 Mark III Canon's most capable and versatile hybrid camera yet. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S1 Mark II. The Lumix S1 II stands out in Panasonic's lineup because it pairs pro-level stills performance with cinema-ready video tools in a single full-frame mirrorless body, making it a true hybrid workhorse. It uses a new 24.1 megapixels, partially stacked CMOS sensor and Venus engine processor to deliver exceptional image quality, broad dynamic range, and super fast readout that benefits both photos and video. On the video front, the S1 Mark II supports high-end recording formats, plus internal ProRes RAW/ProRes options and advanced Vlog with up to 15 stops of dynamic range, giving creators cinematic flexibility without external recorders. For stills, blackout-free burst shooting up to 70 frames per second with AF and AE ensures you capture fast action, while the robust AI-assisted phase hybrid autofocus keeps subjects sharp. In conclusion, the S1 Mark II combines speed, dynamic range, codec versatility, and stabilization to deliver one of the most complete hybrid experiences in the Lumix family. Number 1. Sony A7 Mark V. The Sony A7 Mark V excels as Sony's top hybrid camera because it blends high-resolution photography and robust video performance into a single full-frame system that works for creators of all levels. At its heart is a 33 megapixels partially stacked sensor paired with the advanced Bionz XR2 processor, delivering fast readouts, excellent dynamic range, and accurate color rendering, ideal for detailed stills and clean video footage. For photographers, it offers up to 30 frames per second blackout-free burst shooting with pre-capture buffering. The AI-enhanced real-time autofocus tracks people, animals, and vehicles with impressive precision, even in low light. Videographers benefit from oversampled 4K 60 frames per second recording from its full sensor, and 4K 120 frames per second in Super 35 mode, giving creators smooth, cinematic footage with flexibility for slow motion. Improved heat management and battery life mean longer, uninterrupted shooting sessions, a big advantage for events, interviews, or long vlogs. Combined with excellent in-body stabilization, a multi-angle screen, and pro-grade connectivity, the A7 Mark V stands out as Sony's most versatile hybrid camera, balancing photo and video power in one capable package. Subscribe and check out other buying guide videos.